From November to February, the quiet charm of Ranganathittu transforms into a vibrant stage for one of nature's most graceful spectacles. As we move gently forward, birds stand calmly on the riverside rocks, soaking in the morning light. Their presence fills the air with soft calls, fluttering wings, and a sense of wonder only nature can offer. The sanctuary isn't just a paradise for birds. It's also home to marsh crocodiles, otters, and a thriving network of aquatic life. Our journey begins along the scenic Bangalore-Mysore highway, cruising toward one of Karnataka's hidden gems. A grand welcome arch greets us as we enter the historic town of Srirangapatna. From here, a quiet country road branches off, shaded, serene, and full of promise. And then it appears, a modest signboard, tucked among the trees, marking the gateway to Ranganathittu, one of India's most intimate bird sanctuaries. We step inside, where man-made structures give way to nature's design. The rustle of leaves and occasional chirps are the only sounds that accompany us now. And then, the river reveals itself, wide, still, and timeless. Its calmness quiets even the busiest mind. A lone boat glides gently toward the wharf, while others wait in silence by the dock, cradled by the water's embrace. We head toward the much-awaited boat ride, the highlight of the sanctuary. The ticket counter buzzes with eager visitors, and we wait patiently for our turn. Soon it's time. We step aboard and settle into our seats, ready for a tranquil yet thrilling journey into the heart of Ranganathittu's watery wilderness. As the boat slowly moves away from the shore and into the calm waters, there's a sense of quiet excitement all around. Everyone on board looks ahead, curious and eager. With each paddle stroke, gentle ripples spread across the surface, as if the river itself is welcoming us in. And then we finally begin to see them, the long-awaited migratory birds, perched gracefully on the high branches above. The scene is truly breathtaking, as soft sunlight filters through the leaves, gently illuminating their feathers. The calm blue sky with gentle clouds reflects on the water, creating a moment of pure stillness. As we move gently forward, birds stand calmly on the riverside rocks, soaking in the morning light. The side of the river is lined with thick, lush trees, and on a sun-warmed rock, a crocodile rests quietly. From November to February, the quiet charm of Ranganathittu transforms into a vibrant stage for one of nature's most graceful spectacles. Thousands of migratory birds descend upon the sanctuary, traveling from distant regions like Siberia and Central Asia, drawn by the warmth of the climate, the calm waters, and the promise of undisturbed nesting grounds. Painted storks, spot-billed pelicans, Asian openbills, spoonbills, and cormorants make up this grand gathering. They perch atop trees, glide across the sky, and gather in flocks along the riverbanks. Their presence fills the air with soft calls, fluttering wings, and a sense of wonder only nature can offer. The sanctuary isn't just a paradise for birds. It's also home to marsh crocodiles, otters, and a thriving network of aquatic life. These ancient reptiles are often seen sprawled across sunlit rocks, their rough, armored bodies blending seamlessly with the terrain. From the boat, it's possible to get surprisingly close. They remain motionless, eyes half open, ever watchful, a silent reminder of nature's raw and timeless presence. A guided ride through these waters offers more than just a tour. It's an intimate encounter with a living ecosystem, where every glance reveals the quiet rhythm of life unfolding in its purest form. After a mesmerizing boat ride through the heart of the sanctuary, an experience unlike anything before, we slowly begin our return to the shore. The sound of paddles fades into the background, replaced by a quiet sense of wonder. For first-time visitors, it's more than just a journey across water. It's a gentle awakening to the beauty of stillness, the magic of the wild, and the privilege of witnessing life uninterrupted. Stepping back onto land, we find ourselves surrounded by carefully preserved greenery. The sanctuary's landscape extends beyond the riverbanks, welcoming visitors into a serene park setting filled with shaded walkways, manicured gardens, and whispering trees that sway softly in the breeze. Along the winding paths of the sanctuary, visitors are gently guided through nature's calm. Shaded resting spots offer a peaceful place to pause, surrounded by trees and cool breeze. Along the way, well-placed signboards provide detailed information about the birds that live and migrate here, turning every step into a gentle journey of learning and wonder. Strategically placed viewpoints emerge throughout the park, offering ideal perches for birdwatchers and nature photographers alike. From these peaceful platforms, the river, treetops, and sky come together in a single, sweeping view. With binoculars in hand, one can do more than spot birds. A small souvenir shop offers mementos of the experience, postcards, nature books, and handcrafted items inspired by the sanctuary's birdlife. Next to it, a refreshment corner serves simple snacks, juices, and local fare. A small pause before returning to the world outside. The park offers eco-friendly buggy rides that gently wind through the sanctuary's pathways. Along the way, beautifully laid-out walkways meander through quiet gardens and shaded groves, creating ideal spaces to slow down, sit together, and simply enjoy the surroundings. Whether it's a peaceful stroll or a moment of laughter with loved ones, the park invites families to reconnect. As we follow the path deeper into the sanctuary, we come across a modest glass bridge stretching over a quiet, still pond. Below, small fish move gently through roots, a chance to look down into the calm waters and quietly observe life below, while the peaceful surroundings slow everything else down. For these migratory birds, there are no borders, only skies to cross and seasons to follow. Their wings carry not just bodies, but the very spirit of freedom. As they rise above rivers and nations, they remind us that the soul was never meant to stay grounded. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and help others discover the beauty of Ranganathittu.